Hey everyone, J.D.T from J.D.T, and today I'm going to do one of my videos for 100, so it's going to be either best moments montage, funny moments montage. Actually, you know by the title, don't you? It's DIY play button. I've made it at home out of 2 cardboard boxes, some paper, some paint, some glue, and some scissors. So, big reveal. Dun 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 dun. This is it. Little play button. Pretty cool. Which way is it supposed to go? That way? Yeah. So, the little play button right here. It's blue. Yeah, it only took me 10 minutes, really. The play button is a bit lopsided, but it doesn't matter. I've just got a little play button for 100 subscribers. Yeah, so leave a like, comment what you want me to do next, and subscribe for more. Goodbye!